We are Itec. We're a leading provider of training and employment, offering a wide range of government-funded and commercial work-based learning programs.
But there's something that makes us different to the rest.
We're 100% employee-owned.
Which means we're 100% committed to the success of everyone we support.
Because we believe that empowering your future means taking ownership of it.
It's a philosophy that makes a real difference
To individuals,
Employers,
and our own team members.
and it's driven by a set of 4 core values:
empowerment,
passion for learning,
inclusion,
And growth.
empowerment. When we feel empowered, anything is possible.
It's what drives us to take ownership, take initiative, take responsibility, and support each other.
passion for learning. We see how learning transforms lives.
That's why, as employee owners, we practice what we preach and always seek
New ways to learn,
New ways to grow,
new knowledge and insights to share with others.
and new ideas from even the most unexpected places.
inclusion. We know the value of bringing together different perspectives.
It's why we champion diversity and inclusion.
Listen without judgment.
And collaborate across our differences.
Growth. As employee owners, we're fully invested in growth, not just for Itec.
But for everyone.
It drives us to embrace change
Solve problems early.
Generate new ideas.
and deliver outcomes for long-term success.
We believe that these values give us
A more collaborative culture,
More accountability.
and a long-term investment in learner success.
Because whatever the future may bring,
to us,
It's personal.
Itec, 100% employee-owned, 100% committed to you.